Hi, I'm Will from Northwest Heating Solutions, and today I'll be showing you how to program a Fondital towel rail using the digital remote. To begin, you need to turn the heater to standby mode so that you can follow me step by step, starting from scratch. The remote should only be displaying the time and day of the week, mine being the 5th day, Friday. However, if you are not, and something else is on your screen, simply aim the remote at the towel rail, press the standby button once, you will hear 2 beeps, and this screen should appear. Be aware, when pressing any button on the remote, allow 3 seconds for the remote to communicate with the towel rail. Now we are all in the same place, we can now begin. Press the standby button, 1 beep will sound. The screen should display something similar to what I have. In order to go to the program mode, press the clock. This is the display that should appear. As you can see, the number 5 is flashing on my remote. This means I can alter the day of the week using the plus and minus buttons. I am going to alter mine to Tuesday, number 2. Once you have set the day of the week, press the mode button. The hour of the day will begin to flash. Using the minus button, I'm going to set mine to 11. Once you are happy with your hour, press the mode button and alter the minutes. Once completed, press the mode button and you will arrive at the 24-hour timeline at the bottom of the screen. There will be a flashing black square at the bottom starting at 0 hours. This is where we begin programming the timing of the different temperatures. Be aware that in this section you are programming from Monday to Sunday. There may be some other little squares which represent the current program. Just ignore them. As you insert the new program, it will replace the old one. To enter your required program, use either the plus button, which is comfort mode, the warmest temperature, and minus button, night mode, which is the coolest. Using these buttons, you can decide what temperature you want on an hourly basis. I'm going to program my heater as if I have to start work at 11 and finish at 8. So, from midnight till 7, I'm going to press the minus button repeatedly. As you can see here, as I press the minus button, the flashing square moves and the time goes up an hour to let you know where you are in the day. Now I have reached 7, I will stop. As I wake up at 8 and want to get up in the warm, I will put the heater on an hour beforehand using the plus button. I leave my house at 10, so I'm going to continue pressing the plus button until I reach 10 AM. As you can see, as I press the plus button, a square will appear. To make it more clear to you on the 24-hour clock, when your comfort mode is on. I get back home at 2100. So I will press the minus button repeatedly, which is night mode, until I reach 2000. I am going to press the plus button, which is comfort mode, from 2000 to heat up the room an hour before I get back. I will continue to press the plus button until I reach midnight, as that is when I go to bed. If you make a mistake, no worries. Press the minus button until you go back to 0 hours and start again. When you are happy with your 24-hour program on Monday, press the mode button once. This will take you to number 2, representing Tuesday. If you want different programs on specific days of the week, you can go through each one, altering the programs using the plus and minus buttons, like you have done for Monday. Once you are happy with that day, press the mode button to go to the next. Once you reach 7 and have completed the program for Sunday, press the mode button once more. You will then come back to the previous mode you were on before you press the clock button. Now you have edited the program, we simply need to turn it on so it is running. To put the towel rail into program mode, also known as chrono mode, press the mode button repeatedly until you reach program mode. You have now finished.